Welcome to Certifyme. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through setting up a custom domain and custom email. To begin with the custom domain setup, log into your Certifyme account, navigate to Account Setup. Click on Set up Custom Domain. In Step 1, choose your subdomain. Proceed to Step 2, where you'll map your subdomain to appcertifym.online by adding a CNAME record under your DNS settings. Finally, in Step 3, update your subdomain and save your changes. Now, let's dive into setting up the custom email. Within your account settings, select Custom Email Setup. Scroll down to Access Email Settings. Craft your email template using the provided placeholders. Next, update the SMTP settings with the following details: email ID, username, same as the email ID, passcode, SMTP server, port, subject line, CC and BCC. Once you've configured your settings, click on Save and proceed to test them. Thank you for watching. If you encounter any issues or have questions, our support team is here to assist you. Happy certifying!